Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your financial strategies with Goldman Sachs, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the basics of financial strategies. Research Goldman Sachs and its approach to investment management. Familiarize yourself with the different services offered by Goldman Sachs. Identify your financial goals to create a personalized strategy. Consider whether you are focusing on short-term gains or long-term growth. Explore the various investment options available, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Review educational resources provided by Goldman Sachs, including articles and videos. Attend webinars or workshops hosted by Goldman Sachs if available. Utilize the Goldman Sachs online tools for tracking your investments. Set a budget for your investments based on your financial situation. Start small if you are a beginner, gradually increasing your investment as you gain confidence. Consider seeking advice from financial advisors at Goldman Sachs for personalized guidance. Monitor your investment portfolio regularly to assess performance. Adjust your strategies based on market trends and your financial progress. Stay informed about economic news that may impact your investments. Continue to educate yourself about financial markets and strategies for improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.